Hello everybody. I've got a project to show you today that I am going to hope makes your life easier. It has definitely made my life easier. This is a scrapbook, not a scrapbook, a wallpaper sample book. And they are great for using with our crafts and our junk journals and all, but they come with these rivets and they are a booger to try to remove. So I worked really hard trying to get a book apart, and my wrist still hurts. But anyway, my husband come home and he said, I've got a tool. I'll cut those rivets off for you, and I bet you can take this book apart. So he used a hand grinder and a cutoff wheel. It's a 4.5-inch cutoff wheel that he used on his hand grinder, and he took the rivets off. And so now we are going to see if I can take this book apart. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna try. The thing with these books is they have all these staples in there. You've got to really work at those staples out. But anyway, I hope it works for me and for you. I hope it's something that you can try and see if it works easier than the old-fashioned way of trying to unscrew those rivets. All right, so as you can see, it is a major process to get these things apart. Whoever puts these together do not intend for anybody to ever get into them, but it can be done. I did rip a couple of small places, but it can be done. Now we've got some beautiful wallpaper sheets, and they put staples all the way through here, so you just have to keep working and working and working if it's worth it to you. Some people say, just go ahead and cut them out with a box cutter or something, and it might be worth it. I've already poked myself and with a screwdriver. But anyway, to me this is easier. I spent, I bet you close to an hour working on one of those big bolts, trying to just get one bolt out yesterday, and I've just said, you know what, that's just too much sugar for a dime. Too much. My husband comes home and he's like, I have an idea. And it was a great idea. And like I said, it is working. So give it a try. If you want to fool with it, look, I tore that one too. If you want to fool with it, if you don't, then I say just get a box cutter and just cut the pages out. There's still plenty of beautiful paper to be repurposed. So anyway, I thought I would share that idea with you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.